Right here, there is quite a. We've arrived. I'll show you a closer look later on this. My friend had a wedding at the Fullerton Hotel. The Spectra show at the Marina. Right here with the. Now the white building in front of me is the Asian civilization, and right in front of me are. Greetings from Singapore. I'm at the Raffles Place area. I'm doing a short video on the nice river view here. Now you can see the show the Marina Bay Sands from here a little bit. The top floor is actually have lights and sound and vibration. And this area is very popular with joggers because the road is clean and the road is quite flat. And on the left side you can see 4 boats and some girls taking selfies. The boat is actually traveling to the Clarke Quay directions. Right there, there's another bridge. Oh. We've arrived. I'll show you a closer look later on this historic site, Sir Stamford Raffles. First landed in Singapore on 28 January 1819. This really a long time ago, and with genius and perception changed the destiny of Singapore from an obscure fishing village to a great seaport and modern metropolis. If you enjoyed the video so far, please subscribe and give a like so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. Right here, there is quite a funny notice. The use of this bridge, Cabana Bridge, is probably heated to any vehicle of which the laden weight as its 3 CWT and to all cattle and horses. It was the old photos in 1950s. And here it is. And you can actually walk to the Esplanade Park 140 meters and Garden by the Bay 1.9 kilometers. They are a bit far, right, for the Garden by the Bay. And there are some cute circular monuments you can actually stand in front to take some photos and realize that they have different sizes, the small and the big one. The Spectra show at the Marina Bay Sands is going to end soon. It's already 9:10 p.m. and you can see the Marina Bay Sands at the top. There's some lights blinking. It means the show is in progress. Right in front there's a tunnel. I think it leads to the other side, the Marina Bay Sands. My friend had a wedding at the Fullerton Hotel. The expenses are quite high, but it's really a 5-star experience. Nice Fullerton Hotel with the Christmas decorations. Yeah. Police Heritage Trail launched in the year 2000. The statue of the China leader Deng Xiaoping right here, and there's introductions. He's born in 1904 until 1997. That's 93 years old. A long life, and his relationship with Singapore, and this is a Chinese translation. I think someone arranged these flowers very nice. Oh, there's a bell ringing from somewhere. You guys hear it? In front of me is the founder of Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh, born in 1890 and passed away in 1969. That is like 79 years. Considered quite long lifespan. And this is in Vietnamese. So thanks everyone for watching this video once again. I'm on my way back to the Raffles Place MRT to catch a metro. Some nice fruits by the way. Please take care. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And wish everyone happiness and health. Take care everyone. Bye bye.